My name is Moe. I'm the owner of Moe Pho Noodles Cafe.
My name is Whitney Minthorn. I'm one of the co-owners of Moe Pho Noodles Cafe. We have a location on Main Street and a location here at Wild Horse Resort and Casino.
When I was a little kid, my mom always made different dishes for me. The soup, the stir fry. So I was inspired by the Cambodian foods. It's fresh and it's healthy and the colors are beautiful.
We also travel to Cambodia, Vietnam, and Thailand often and try to learn as much as we can.
I'd like to bring that back and share it with everyone here. We always hear people pronounce it Moe Pho. Let's go to Moe Pho, and I don't mind it because I think it's funny.
As long as we're making people happy, I feel satisfied.
I like making my food with love. We care about the quality of our food as much as we care about our family. We look forward to serving you.